How to download a GIF from Google on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download a GIF from Google on your PC easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser and go to the Google. And in the search bar, simply type what you're looking for followed by GIF. For example, if you want a YouTube related GIF, simply type YouTube GIF and press enter. And once you have searched for it, simply click on the image tab to see all available GIFs. And from there, simply select the GIF by clicking on it. And once you're there, simply right click on the GIF and from the pop-up menu, simply choose Save Image As. And now choose the location where you want to save the file. For example, I'm saving this on the desktop. And here you can also rename the file if you like to. And once you're done with that, simply click on the save. And to check your downloaded GIF, go ahead to the save location. And there you have it, it's a valid GIF. And that's it. Now you know how to download GIF on your Google on your PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.